there, smart shoppers! Welcome back to Buy Smart, where we help you make the best purchasing decisions without losing your sanity. Today, we're diving into the wild world of drones. On the left, we have the budget-friendly Flyer, the Hiturbo drone with 1080p camera, and on the right, the high-flying, wallet-crying DJI Mini 2 SE. Buckle up, because this comparison is going to be a bumpy ride. On the left, Hiturbo comes in at a wallet-friendly $79. You could buy one of these and still afford a nice dinner date. On the right, the DJI Mini 2 SE is a cool $279. With that price, you might have to live on ramen for a month. But hey, who needs food when you have an awesome drone, right? Hiturbo, bless its little plastic heart, has a 1080p camera. It's like the potato camera your aunt uses to take family photos. But hey, it gets the job done for some casual fun. DJI Mini 2 SE, on the other hand, is like the paparazzi of drones. It's got 4K video capabilities that make you wonder if you're filming a blockbuster movie or just your dog in the backyard. Hiturbo's camera can be manually adjusted, so it's basically like playing a game of guess where the camera is pointing. Meanwhile, DJI's camera is so advanced, it practically directs itself and asks you if you want a coffee while you wait. Battery life, the Achilles heel of all gadgets. Hiturbo gives you 24 minutes of fly time with 2 batteries. That's like getting a power nap between Zoom meetings. DJI Mini 2 SE offers a whopping 31 minutes per battery, and with the combo, you get up to 93 minutes of flight time. You could practically fly to another country. Okay, maybe not, but you get the idea. Hiturbo's 12 minutes per battery is like a sprint. You get exhausted quickly, but hey, you had fun. DJI's 31 minutes is a marathon, and with 3 batteries, it's like running 3 marathons back to back. I'm tired just thinking about it. Hiturbo lets you use either a remote or your smartphone, but to capture video, you need to connect via Wi-Fi and use the app. Basically, it's like trying to juggle while riding a unicycle. DJI's app, on the other hand, is so intuitive, it practically writes your Instagram captions for you. Just a few taps and boom, you're a social media sensation. Hiturbo is like using a flip phone in 2023. It works, but it's not winning any awards. DJI is like having the latest iPhone. It's sleek, smooth, and makes you feel like a tech genius. Wind resistance. Hiturbo, bless its heart, might get blown away by a strong sneeze. DJI Mini 2 SE can withstand winds up to 38 kilometers per hour. That's like flying in a hurricane and coming out with perfect footage. It's basically the Chuck Norris of drones. Hiturbo is like a paper airplane. Fun, but flimsy. DJI is like a fighter jet. It's got the muscle to handle anything Mother Nature throws at it. Finally, let's talk about who these drones are for. Hiturbo is perfect for beginners and kids. It's simple, easy to use, and won't break your heart or your bank if you crash it. DJI Mini 2 SE, however, is for those who want to take their drone game to the next level. It's got all the bells and whistles for professional-level shots, but it's so easy to use, even your grandma could fly it. Hiturbo is like riding a bike with training wheels. DJI is like driving a Tesla. Both are fun, but one makes you feel like you're in the future. Reviewers love the Hiturbo drone for its affordability, ease of use, and suitability for kids and beginners. The DJI Mini 2 SE, however, garners praise for its advanced features, high-quality camera, and impressive battery life, making it a favorite among both beginners and more serious drone enthusiasts. So there you have it, folks. If you're looking for a budget-friendly, easy-to-use drone to get started, the Hiturbo is your go-to. But if you want a high-quality, feature-packed drone that can handle almost anything, the DJI Mini 2 SE is worth the investment. Remember, it's not just about buying smart, it's about flying smart. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment about which product you prefer and why. Product links are in the description. Until next time, keep flying high and buying smart.